Kids World Discovery. Have fun!
Hello guys, today we're going to make this cute fish. Look how cute it is. I have added a googly eye as well. Look. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to take origami paper, which is a green color. You can take any other color. So let's fold it very nicely as a first triangle like this. And then on the other side, we're gonna do a sharp like this. Turn it around. We're gonna do it with the other side of the triangle now. Again, this way, and then sharp. Right? Got a nice cross like this, cross like that, and then you're gonna fold it like this, a nice rectangle. Again, hold it like this and do a sharp touch. Now we're gonna hold it in the middle like this with my finger. I'm pressing it and try to push it in. As soon as you push it in, it will make a nice triangle like this. See, both the side. I made a very nice triangle like this from this side as well as from the back side. So let's do the fins. First of all, we're gonna make it a nice half triangle like this. And then other half like this. Make it sharp bend. There you go guys. Our fish is ready. So now let's design some patterns. Okay? First of all, we'll do the eye. Eye is very easy. For eye, I have taken this stencil and I'm gonna use number 7 this time, which is this one. So let's do it with the pencil first, slightly up. So now we're going to cover the eye with the sketch pen. Now let's design some patterns which are going to be like this, like a wave shape, wave, and some dots. So let's design. So to make it, another one, try to make it as close as possible, and then another one. Guys, I've created these patterns with the pencil. Now let's cover up these pencil with black sketch pen. We can fill up these gaps with some colors. let's cover up with this red pinkish color. Try to color in the same pattern, because if you use different patterns it will not look nice. If I am using straight lines, so I will cover up with the straight lines only. If I am using zigzag, then it has to be zigzag all the way down. Let's do blue color now. See, I can see a little bit gaps lying over here, which we can cover it with some extra color. Now let's do orange. See how nice is it? Let's make some white dots the way they have done it over here. Let's make white dots as a pattern. One dot, slightly bigger, slightly tiny, and bigger, medium size, bigger, tiny, bigger, and another one, small, tiny, bigger, medium. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but you can create as you wish. Another one. Now, lastly, we're gonna cover our eyes with the black sketch pen. And on top of that, we're gonna use our white sketch pen. There you go, guys. One more thing, we're gonna make tiny mouth for the fish. This is it. So guys, our fish is ready.
Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have fun!